Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073d0a on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and click Run corresponding to it. The next solution will be to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command ws reset and hit Enter to reset the Microsoft Store. Lastly, if everything else fails, you can re-register the Microsoft Store apps. Scroll down to the fourth solution and click on this link to open the associated article. Copy this command line, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated PowerShell window. Paste this command here and hit Enter. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.